Good morning. I have a 2012 Chevy Malibu 2.4. Customer complained the check engine lights comes on and traction control light is on. We scanned it. We had a code of po300 and the traction control is on. Checked all the coil packs. Everything looks good. Went through the injectors, the exhaust solenoid and intake solenoid, but that did not take care of the problem. And this is the problem we had. When we took the spark plugs out, as you can see the gap, it's too close. That will trigger the po300. So if you're having the same problem, if you change your spark plugs, always make sure the gaps, it's good. This will trigger the traction control and the po300. A lot of people will replace these spark plugs, but will never check the gaps on the spark plugs. They think they come in pre-gapped and they'll just put them in there. So if you're having the same problem, po300, and your engine is shaking pretty bad, and traction control comes on, check for the gaps on your spark plugs, especially after you install a new spark plugs. Always make sure there's a gap, it's gapped right. If you like this video, please, and if it helps you out, please subscribe and give us a like button. Hopefully this video will work for you. Thank you so much.